Hello mga kakikoy ko, may natanggap akong email galing kay Lolo. Ayan oh, yan yung nakasaad. Ang ibig sabihin yan, siguro mayroon din kayo niyan, ano? So ang ibig sabihin ay maggawa ng video para lang sa mga members. Alright, please follow and subscribe my members, Tita Ami Bits and Species. 30 months in members since I monetize, and Madam Siren Johnny 28 months. Alright, Sir Jinsan Boy 29 months. Yan, very supportive yan sila. And of course Madam Inday Baby 19 months. Alright, and especially to Madam Buholana Chimi Vlogs 21 months, and Madam Manilen Mix Vlogs 8 months. They are very supportive. And also Madam Aisan Esperos 25 months. Alright, and no other than Sir Ikim Rasalas 20 months. Alright, and of course si Madam Sexy Lady 15 months.